Hi friends, welcome back to John Drinks. It's a cold winter out there, but does not mean we can't enjoy some tiki drinks and pretend it's summer inside. And today, I want to try making a zombie. I've never made one of these, but I have all the ingredients. So I'm super excited to give this one a go. The zombie is an old drink, around 100 years old. It was invented by Don Beach. Don Beach is one of the fathers of tiki. He was the owner of one of the original tiki bars, Don the Beachcomber, down in California, and he made a lot of these early drinks. The zombie is as popular as Don Beach as a Mai Tai is to Trader Vic. Now this recipe involves a lot of ingredients. Some of the oldest tiki recipes too were well hidden secrets. They would include ingredients on the recipe such as spice number 1 or spice number 2 or unknown substances like Don's mix. Though the recipe that stood the test of time is the one I want to show you today. For the booze, you are going to need Puerto Rican lightly aged rum, Jamaican aged rum, falernum, absinthe, bitters, and you're gonna need some overproof dark rum. That's the one ingredient I don't have, so I'm just gonna use some dark rum. I'm gonna use Old Sam's demerara rum. You're gonna need cinnamon syrup, grenadine, grapefruit juice, some fresh lime juice, and some mint for garnish. Let's go make a zombie. In our shaker, we're gonna start off with 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. Our next ingredient is 1/4 of an ounce of grapefruit juice and 1/4 of an ounce of cinnamon syrup. This is actually what Don's mix was. It was equal parts grapefruit juice and cinnamon syrup, so you can pre-batch this if you're gonna be making a lot. Next, we're gonna add just like a bar spoon of grenadine. Not a whole lot, just a little bit for some color. 1/2 ounce of our homemade falernum, 1/2 ounce of our lightly aged Puerto Rican rum, and 1/2 ounce of our aged Jamaican rum. A full ounce of your overproof dark rum, or in my instance, just regular dark rum. And we're gonna spice things up a bit. 1/4 of an ounce of absinthe. And lastly, 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. Alright, go get your small shaker and you're gonna fill it up with crushed ice to about here. Add all your ice and you're gonna give this a nice shake for about 10 seconds. Next, go grab your favorite tiki mug. I don't have a tiki mug, but any large mug will do. Just make sure it's big enough to hold your whole drink. And we're just gonna free pour that ice and everything. And don't be scared to be generous with this. Like, get a large sprig and we're gonna smack it to wake it up, make it nice and fragrant. Put that on the side. We're gonna finish with a straw, and that is our zombie. And that is our zombie. So much mint. Now, taste-wise, there is so much going on in this drink. You can't really pinpoint any of the flavors. You can find some, but again, they're lost quickly. You know, you have cinnamon from the cinnamon syrup. You have all those rich spices from the bitters. You have anise from the absinthe, and you have cloves from the falernum. I use a lot of cloves in my falernum, so a lot of different spices coming through. And a lot of rum and proof too. This is a really strong drink. I didn't even use overproof rum, but it's already strong. I can only imagine the combination of overproof rum and absinthe. Very rum forward, that's the one thing I can't taste a lot of. Grapefruit juice is a little bit lost. Lime juice is there, and there's just enough sweetness. The grenadine really helps give this a beautiful color too. It's actually a really suiting name too, zombie, because this is one monster cocktail. Anyways, that is the zombie. I hope you enjoyed this video. I would appreciate it if you considered subscribing and on your way dropping a like. If you want to see anything else specific, please let me know in the comments below. I would love to try your drinks and discuss them with you. But until next time, cheers!